max load first year. Let's see, it's a 5-inch exposure. So we're going to take out the shingle. We're here in Cambridge, Maryland. It's starting to get pretty windy out. We expect 50-mile-per-hour gusts later on today. Two courses. So just to kind of narrate, we're trying to handle the shingles at a very gender so nothing that we do is causing damage by the handling of the shingle. But just unsealing the two courses above, we are tearing the seal, which is creating new material transfer, which there is evidence of. I will take pictures of. We also don't want to bend the shingle above a 40-degree angle. New material transfer, new tears already. Luckily, we're not on the second tier, which is also damaged. we're trying to do is bring the property back to pre-existing storm conditions. Nationwide, the insurance company is giving this homeowner a repair estimate. That's when he reached out. We had a conversation, and I'm kind of surprised that they asked us to repair this. But falling apart around. Definitely have new creases. And as you can tell from just watching my video, like, there is literally nothing that we have done to disrupt this roof. Just a new tear right here. Material transfer all throughout the two courses above the shingle that we just took out. But let's get this done. Get out of here unscathed. Danger, but this is not a solution to Mr. Bryan's roofing storm damage problem. We did not, in our professional opinion, tearing into the shingle, just using the snake. more and we'll be good to go. I'll take pictures. So, new creases here, here, there. Arrows represent material transfer. New material transfer. We have new tears to the surrounding shingles. New tears. So this repair. Fail. So all the arrows is where there's material transfer. As you can see underneath. See the material transfer. I'll take pictures of all of this. Holes. This is the worst. Tears. Creasing. In no way, shape, or form is this what we should do, because the damage to not only this back slope with all this wind coming here, you can see that there's other wind damage shingles here, and the back slope on the top and the front slope, including the dormer. But if we were to do this for the rest of the damaged shingle that we have on this entire roof, then we're just going to be completely compounding the problem, which in no shape or form, again, is what we would recommend, being that we are a master elite contractor for roofing here on the Delmarva Peninsula. We're DMV, Philadelphia and Charlotte, North Carolina, with GAF, who's our manufacturing partner. So Master Elite, President's Club, GAF. My name is Eric Wilson, and Exteriors. We're at Bryan, so Lozada's house here in Cambridge, Maryland. And this is not a reflection on what we asking for. To send this shingle in for my report. It's a 5-inch exposure with less than 36-inch length to the shingle. And I will take pictures. I appreciate your time in reviewing this, and we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye.